Hey guys, my name is Elijah, and in this tutorial I will show you how to backup in Notion. So this is very simple and straightforward, just follow my steps. So the first step is to go in right here to this left corner and clicking on this arrow next to your workspace. Here it will expand this window and we will have to click on Settings. Now simply select General from this menu, and here scroll down until you see Export, and here is Workspace content. So this will export all pages in this workspace, so click on Export, and it's like up to you how do you want to export it. If it is CSV, PFD, HTML, it's really up to you. And then select everything and export. Now it will export all of your content and you can simply backup this to a hard drive. So thank you very much for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.